What you want to do, you got 4 little clips on the side of this white piece right here. You can get you a small flathead or a pick tool to gently pop it out. Well, you got to hold on to it. Yeah. Start one side and it'll come apart. These contacts look kind of bad, so I'm gonna clean them up. Hit them up with a wire brush. There is a spring on the inside, so don't lose it. Contacts on the bottom, you see they're like they've been arcing a little bit. Got some kind of sticky substance on them. I'm gonna clean them up. Maybe hit them with a light wire brush and put it back together. I'm gonna get my new battery. Should have a better connection. Should start a whole lot better.